Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian and this is Pop at 50 and I am making about 25 Patreon videos this week. It's insane. But we're going to start with a triple shot of CASCADA. I like doing these requests as one big video. It streamlines things and it keeps the spirit of the songs just flowing into the new ones. Oh my god, excuse me. So why don't we just plop right into it, shall we? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay.
It's in your eyes. I know what you're thinking.
You do not know what I'm thinking, lady. Ah! Or maybe you do.
You're hypnotized. And it ain't the drinking. I don't know why it's hard to breathe every time I think of you.
Because you're very, very excited and your heart is just pumping like crazy.
You cut right to the heart of me. I know that you feel it too. Whoa, whoa. So tonight, yeah, I need your love. I know how to make you mine.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
We can have a real good time on the physical. I want you to keep your eyes on me. I'm playing for keeps.
It's not difficult to keep my eyes on you, baby. It really isn't.
Keep.
It's fun. It's fun.
Keeps. Are you an illusion? 'Cause you can't be human. You know what you're doing to me.
It's not possible,
Our
man.
bodies are moving. We dance to the music. Baby, I'm playing for keeps. So tonight, yeah, I need your love. I know how to make you mine. I'll be dressing up. We can have a real good time on the physical. I want you to keep your eyes on me. I'm playing for keeps. For tonight, yeah, I need your love. Ready for a ride or die. You could be the one. We can leave the world outside. Baby, listen up. I want you to keep your eyes on me. I'm playing for keeps.
It's got me grooving. I'm into it, man. I'm having fun with this.
Keeps. I'm playing for keeps. I'm playing for keeps. I'm playing for keeps.
Although the keeps makes it sound like cheaps, and like you're trying to, like, you're not a bird, lady. Okay, let's eliminate that one out of the song.
I don't know why it's hard to breathe every time I think of you. You cut right to the heart of me. I know that you feel it too. So tonight, yeah, I need your love. I know how to make you mine. I'll be dressing up. We can have a real good
Always a
time
good
on
beat.
the physical.
Always a good beat.
I want you to keep your eyes on me. Keep your eyes on tonight. Yeah, I need your love. Ready for a ride or die. You could be the one. We can leave the world outside. Baby, listen up. I want you to keep your eyes on me. I'm playing for keeps.
You might think that me doing that as I'm making fun of it. I'm not making fun. I'm going along with it. I'm digging deep into it, man. That's all.
I'm playing for keeps. I'm playing for keeps. I'm playing for keeps.
Well, that was a lot of fun. That was pretty high energy, and it kept me grooving. And now I really want to hear the next one. So let's give this a 4, Debbie. That is a lot of fun. I could get into it, man. I could shake my ass to that one. I'd be all right with that. Let's see what is next. Don't leave me this way. Oh my God, 4 whole minutes. That one's super longer than she's used to. Let's find out. Oh. to her get down in that register, man. She got the heavy, strong, solid beat, and she's bringing it down. I don't know, a couple octaves. Is that what you call them? I'm not a music man. I'm not a music man. That's cool bass. I like that. Okay, that one was pushing it a little. Okay, the three rhymes like that, the super simplistic. Okay, I mean, I'm with it, but let's make no mistake, that was not precisely deep.
Don't leave me this way.
Oh wait.
Now come on down and do what you've got to do. You started this fire down in my soul. Now can't you see it's burning out of control? Then come on, satisfy the need in me. 'Cause only your good loving can set me free.
I had no idea this was covering that. I have not heard that song. I have not heard this song in its entirety since the 70s. You know where I've heard it? I've heard it on like K-Tel compilation commercials, which I'm sure you may not be old enough to know about. But I mean, the rhyme comment still stands.
Don't you leave me this way. Don't you understand?
That's why the bass is so funky. That's why the bass is so funky.
Please don't leave me this. Don't leave me this way. Now I can't survive. I can't stay alive without your love. Don't leave me this way.
Oh, baby!
My heart is full of love and desire for you. So come on down and do what you've got to do.
But is this whole album covers? Wasn't the one that we had where she's actually in this disco ball bug? Wasn't that a cover too?
You started this fire down in my soul. Now can't you see it's burning out of control? So come on, satisfy the need in me. 'Cause only your good loving can set me free.
They are doing a great job with recreating the music.
Don't leave me this way.
You brought disco into my pop channel. What are you doing to me?
Your tender kiss. Don't leave me this way.
Oh wow, that just took it right up.
So come on down and do what you've got to do. You started this fire down in my soul. Now can't you see it's burning out of control? So come on, satisfy the need in me. 'Cause only your good loving can set me free. Can set me free. Can set me free. Can set me free.
Oh, she did a great job with this one. Started with a great song and made it her own and kept it a great song. I totally forgot every single thing about that song. This came out when I was in the single digits You know what I'm saying? This is Cascada's version, but the original one, I don't even remember who did it. It was so long ago. It might have been Gladys Knight. I don't know. Diana Ross, maybe? It was definitely a disco person from the mid to late 70s. That's all I'm saying. So it was a great song to begin with that I did not remember. It's a new version that she's making her own, and she did a great job with it. So why don't we figure out what's next? Murder. Am I allowed to say that out loud on YouTube like that? Everybody else seems to think that you say one particular word, you're going to get demonetized, but I'll bet you can get away with plenty. So, whatever murder's about, let's kill it.
I think I went too far. Saw me with someone else at the bar.
Uh-oh.
Now he's got a bleeding heart, and I am the one who gave him the scar. Hey DJ, can you save him? 'Cause I'm breaking his heart tonight. DJ, please believe me, I didn't mean it to make him cry.
Oh, you really did, lady. You went in there, you were premeditated.
Murder at the disco, it's a murder in the dark.
I think I've heard this one too.
Didn't mean to take his life. Murder, I'm breaking his heart tonight. I just couldn't help myself. It ain't just the bad girls going to hell.
It ain't just the bad girls going. That's a good line. Of course, if you do unalive somebody, then yeah, that's where you're going.
I keep giving in to temptation. I'm pleading guilty, forgive me, yeah. Hey DJ, can you save him? 'Cause I'm breaking.
Unless the DJ knows advanced life-saving skills, no.
Murder at the disco, it's a murder in the dark. I know I gotta pay the price. Didn't mean to take his life. Murder, I'm breaking his heart tonight.
It sounds like she's saying "mutta." Mutta, mutta.
I'm breaking his heart tonight. Breaking his heart tonight. Murder at the disco. It's
Murder at the disco. Is that like Panic at the Disco? Is that like a ballroom blitz? Well, that was pretty cool. I mean, she indicted herself, and she will probably go to jail before she goes to hell. But, you know, it was a fun song. I liked it quite a bit. I had a good time with these. This was brought to you by my fabulous friend, the Giant Dre. He's been around a very long time supporting me. He's a fabulous guy and fun to talk to. And I appreciate him being here. Thanks very much, Patreon subscribers. Have a great day and keep popping, babies.